Hello friends, you all are amazing and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to watch an easy essay on myself. So, let's get started. I am a girl. My name is Hetal. I am 12 years old. I am strong and healthy. My school name is Sanskar Vidyalay. I like to play games. Carom is my favorite game. I am in standard 8. I like to read and write books. My mother's name is Suman Ben. She is a housewife. My father's name is Bhupendra Bhai. He is a farmer. I want to be a doctor. So friends, how was the video? If you like it, please press the like button and comment below for your opinions and reviews. Watch more videos of my channel. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and press the bell notification. We will meet in another video. Till then, keep watching, keep sharing, keep learning. Thank you. Bye bye.